Hi children. Now today we are going to see about a topic. Different categories of peoples have different goals. In your textbook, the page number 4, there is given a tabular column is given for you. In the tabular column, now we are going to discuss about that tabular column. In that first we are seeing about the landless rural laborers. In their viewpoint view, what is their goal? First, their goal is about they want to get a regular base of work, continuous work they need, and they give good educations to their children, and they want to give opportunities in their village as a important person. These are their minimum goals they are aim. Next we move on to the next level, the prosperous farmer in a Punjab state. The prosperous farmer means a rich farmer. In a rich farmer viewpoint, we know about that they need a cheap laborer. They have to work more time at a cheap rate. That is said as a cheap, they need a cheap laborer to work in their farm. And the second we say about they give good educations to their children and they want to settle in a abroad area. And they provide what they cultivated in their land that should be sell in the market at a high price, right? Farmers depends only rainfall to grow crops. We are going to discuss about this. In this, their goal is they need a timely rainfall they need, and a good irrigations they need to cultivate their crops. Next we are moving to see about the women based in a rural area. It's from the landowners. Women lived in a landowner family in a rural area. Here in her viewpoint, she need a good yielding in their farm, and the crops should be sold and sell in the market at a high profit, good market value, and she wants to give a good educations to their children in a proper way. These are the goals of this family like women. And next we move on to see about the youth, unemployed youth in a urban area. Here their goal is want to get regular based work. They need a regular based work and a decent salary. This is the main goal of this types of youth. Let's discuss about the boys, those who in a rich family in an urban area. Here the boys want to get a good education in abroad, and he should be very free in the society, what he want to do in the society. This is the goal of this types of boys. We see about the girls in a rich family in a rural area. She need a good educations. She wants to get a good educations from abroad, and she'll be very free in the society as like a boy, and she wants to need a freedom to give their decisions about her life. Next we are seeing about the Adivasi peoples in Narmada Valley. Here in this types of groups, people goal is the land should not be submerged for the dam, to construct the dam. This is the main goal of them. And the second goal, their goal is they should not be displaced from their native place to other place for any sorts of reasons. In this tabular column, we detailedly know about different peoples has a different goal. Can children please go through this topic in your book, and kindly you fill the tabular column. This is the assignments given for you.